Hello learners, welcome to part 2 of Active Passive Voice. In this part, we will be discussing first about present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tense, and then about present perfect, past perfect and future continuous tense. Okay, future perfect tense, sorry. So in the previous video, I had told you about a few things, how to find the object of a verb, then how to decide which sentence will change into passive, which sentence will not change into passive. So continuing with this video, in present continuous tense, the formula for active voice is rm plus ing form of verb, right? So in passive, we retain the helping verb is rm. The helping verb will be used the same, but we will use being and third form of the verb. Similarly, in past tense, we use was, were plus ing form of verb. So in passive, it becomes was, were plus being plus third form of the verb. In future continuous, the formula in active is will plus be plus ing form of verb. Now we need to remember one thing. Future continuous tense doesn't have passive form. But future continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Right? So let's try to understand these using one example. Ram is writing a story. Now in this sentence, writing is our verb, as is used and ing form of the verb is used, that means our sentence is in continuous tense, right? Present continuous tense. Who is writing? Ram is writing. So Ram is our subject. And writing what? Ram क्या लिख रहा है? Story. Story हमारा object हो जाएगा. Like I told you in the previous video also, we will exchange the positions of subject and object when we change from active to passive. तो जो हमारा passive का sentence है वो a story से शुरू होगा, जो कि हमारा active में subject था. अ स्टोरी, अब स्टोरी सिंगुलर है तो इज यूज होगा. बीइंग, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ राइट इज रिटन बाय राम. हमने सिंपली ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर दिया. So let's see one example of past continuous tense. He was writing stories. Similarly हमारा writing verb है, यहाँ पे हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो ही है. राइटिंग व्हाट? स्टोरीज. तो स्टोरी हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है और यहाँ पे हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो प्लूरल है, राइट? अगेन वी विल इंटरचेंज ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट. तो जो हमारा पैसिव का सेंटेंस है वो स्टोरीज से शुरू होगा. स्टोरीज. अब स्टोरीज हमारा प्लूरल है तो जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा वो वर आएगा. स्टोरीज वर बीइंग रिटन बाय. ही एज अ सब्जेक्ट यूज हुआ है. ही को हम कभी भी एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसकी फॉर्म चेंज हो जाती है हिम में. ही सब्जेक्टिव केस है, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में ही का हिम हो जाता है. Now we will discuss about present perfect, past perfect and future perfect tense. So let's start with the formula. In active voice, present perfect tense has this formula: have plus V3 form. And in passive, helping verbs will be the same. Been will be added and our verb will also be in same form, that is V3 form. Similarly, in past perfect tense, had plus V3 form in active voice. In passive, it will become had plus been plus third form of the verb. In future perfect, the formula is will plus have plus V3 form in active. In passive, it becomes will plus have plus been plus V3 form. We just need to remember these formulas and the conversion of active to passive becomes very easy, right? Let's try to understand it using one example. They have sung a song. Now see, in this, sung is our verb which is in its third form. Have is our helping verb. So this shows that our sentence is in present perfect tense. So similarly, like we did in the previous examples, first we will search for the object. Who sang? They. So they is our subject. They sang what? A song. So we have our object, song. right? Now we will change it into passive. Same, we will switch the positions. हम interchange कर देंगे subject और object की positions को. तो हमारा जो passive का सेंटेंस है वो सॉन्ग से शुरू होगा. तो इट विल बी अ सॉन्ग. अब हमारा जो सॉन्ग है वो सिंगुलर है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? हैव बीन. थर्ड फॉर्म संग बाय. अगेन दे हमारा सब्जेक्टिव केस है. अब हम इसे एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट यानी ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में यूज करने जा रहे हैं. तो दे का हो जाएगा them. A song has been sung by them, right? Okay. Before ending this video, let's understand about the subjective and objective case, right? कि कौन सा pronoun subjective case में यूज होता है और कौन सा objective case में, मतलब कौन सा subject की तरह यूज होता है, कौन सा object की तरह यूज होता है. तो I हमारा subject होता है, me object, we हमारा subject होता है, us object, he हमारा subject होता है, him object, she हमारा subjective case होता है, her object, they हमारा subjective case होता है, them objective case होता है, you ही रहता है दोनों केसेस में, it ही रहता है, right? So these are a few rules which you need to keep in your mind, remember by heart. In the next video, we will discuss about interrogative sentences, how to change interrogative sentences from active to passive voice. Thank you.